Hi everyone, and this is AMarkets Daily Review, and my name is Maria. I'm here for you to trade with you and to say what are our main ideas of the day that you should use while trading. This is like our second week that we use the trading ideas, and the results are really good because every day we give you some opportunity to enter market with a low risk and a good opportunity to earn some money. Well, for today, it's a really good time to be an intraday trader because some long-term positions or even medium-term positions are not good to open now. There are like no opportunity actually. About the market, let's see what we have for news. For news, market now will get at 12:30 p.m. from United States of America. The market will get CPI for February, and well, for us, this is the best time to trade all currencies, all indexes, stock market, because the volatility will be really high. Pay your attention that the time is in GMT here, so find what it will be in your schedule in your time area. For the trading ideas, I would like to show you for today some currencies, of course some coins, and as well I will pay attention to gold and silver. Well, I like gold and silver now to trade. I hope you also will take some good trades. For euro dollar, as I told you, today we use intraday deals and we pay attention to some situations that are useful during maybe a couple of hours. And here is the euro dollar. What do we see here? We don't need a RSI now. Look at 1 hour chart, euro dollar. Here is the tendency line. While I was preparing this video to you, it already went up, but okay. This opportunity near the price 1.2320, 1.2310. For now, it is a good time to enter market to buy euro dollar with the target 1.2350. There are no big news for today, so the market probably won't go too high. And you won't earn that much. We need to scalp, we need to take some like 20-30 pips and close our deals. Well, if you enter near 1.2310, then you close near 1.2350. Next opportunity, if you see the breakdown of this tendency line, then we sell euro dollar with a target 1.2280, not more. Well, this is an intraday deal. Next, Great Britain pound. Here are also some moments. This is 1 hour chart, and also you see 1 hour chart, the tendency line, and still we had 2 points to paint this tendency line. Still we get an opportunity to enter market while you see the rebound from tendency line. For now, it's good to buy Great Britain pound. We see United States dollar with the target 1.3930. Current price is 1.3890. So you have like 30-40 pips to win from this deal. If you see the breakdown, the tendency line, then let me show you. We use the Fibonacci instrument to see where it will fall and what is the target for us if we sell this currency pair. The first target is 1.3864, and after that it can go down to 1.3840. Okay, after we let's come to some coins. Yesterday we talked with you about opportunities for Monero, Ripple, Zcash, and so on. Pay attention to Monero. It is still in the range that we showed you yesterday, and it's still good to sell near the level of resistance and buy near the level of support. It still works for us. The day period, look here. We're still in downtrend, and it's not well, we don't exclude an opportunity that it will go down, even will break the bottom part 230. It can do it, so we advise you, of course, to use stop losses. Buying zone. If you want to buy, you should use a level 230 with the target 280. If you see the breakdown of this level of support, then for now I would say that it's better to stay out of market, but if you want to sell, you can use next target. It will be 210. So if you see the breakdown of the bottom part to the 230 level, then you sell with the target 210. Next we use Zcash. Also, it was good trade yesterday, and we had an opportunity to enter buy again. We told you that you should buy from the bottom part 248, and it was the third time the price went down to this bottom part to the level of support, and we bought it. But the target is 286, and so now it's still the deal is still on and it's not closed, but you still have time to enter the market with the target 286. The range is not closed, and you see that market is not sure what will happen next to this coin. There are no big buyers, no big sellers. While this market is not sure what will happen next, you use this time to trade in ranges. Take your time, take your possibility to trade these ranges. Okay, Zcash, we think it's good to buy from the bottom 284 with the target 286. Next we go to Ripple. Yep, Ripple. Same picture for buying zone. Let me check. The daily chart is boring. The 4-hour chart shows us that here is a buyer sitting near the level 0.7570. 1-hour chart also we see that market can't pass this level 1.7485. Okay, then we still keep our idea open to buy Ripple with a target 0.8630. Technically, it's a really good level that we saw in past, and still it will hit the target. Well, as far as I see the technical picture, it's not bad to buy with the target 0.8630. The target will be reached. Next we see the Ethereum. I don't really like it, but well, yesterday we earned it. Yesterday we told you to sell this Ethereum, this United States dollar. If you see the breakdown, well, here was a breakdown. The price went to our target 690, then 670. Good one. For now, you see that there are candles on 1-hour chart with a shadow on the bottom part. It shows us that the level is not easy to be broken from the first time, and it's like the whole day while the price can't go lower than 670. Let's use it. Let's buy while market is still not ready to go lower. The buying zone now from 670, 680 with the target 725, 720. Not a big shot, but still something that you can trade intraday. It is, for now, as far as I see, for now, it's the best time to trade intraday, no longer, and with the small stop losses and small take profits. We need to scalp now. I don't want Ethereum Classic. BTC Euro, also BTC Euro, we bought it, I told you, and keep buying with the target 8,156, and the stop loss is under the minimum of yesterday. If you enter market only now, you can do it with a short stop loss under the bottom of March 12th. Then I want to show you gold and silver. Okay, for silver, here is the price. Pay attention to the price. 16.40. 16.40 is the level. This is for our chart. It is the level that market always use, and here is a buyer sitting, and market use this level to go upper, so use it as well. As far as you see that the price goes down to 16.40, you can open buy with a short stop loss under 16.40. It's like 16.36, something like that. and your target is 16.60. Not a big target. That for last well, let's say 2 weeks, you could trade silver in this range, and to sell near the level of resistance, to buy near the level of support. It keeps working. So I pay your attention to the silver now. Use it with the small stop losses. You always need to use stop losses because it's safe for your account, for your deposit. And buying zone I showed you, the target zone I showed you. Near the target zone 1660, not bad to sell. You can try to sell, but if you see right candles, I told you already that for buying or selling you need to see candles with a big shadow from the side where you want to open your position. So if we want to sell, then we need to see big shadow on the upside, and if you want to buy, you need to see big shadow from the bottom side. Next is gold. I also like this range for gold now. My long-term idea is that to the end of 2018 we'll see the price. I'll show you. The price will be around 1,440, something like that. But it's a long-term idea. I don't exclude that the price can go here with 1,260. It can happen actually. But if you wanna see the daily chart, open it and watch closer to daily chart. You see the level 1,310. And you see how often price goes upper from this point, 1,310. For now, I think it's not bad to trade this range, 1,310, 1,320, and 1,325. This is a small range that you can use for this week as well. If you open 1 hour chart, you see the price is actually listening to these levels, so we should sell from the up part from 1,325. We sell from there with the target 1,317, and well, maybe 17, maybe 20. It depends on your strategy, on how you behave in market. Well, if you want to hold a longer position, then you sell with a target 1,310. Well, that's it, I think, what you should use for today and what will bring you some money. Please, if you like this video, thumbs up, and of course join our channel.